Hi everyone. So in this video I wanted to share with you guys a project I'm working on, and I'm going to show you guys how you can create this with very little money and it's going to look beautiful. These are some frames I found at Dollar Tree. They have the gold rims and the white and a little bit of gold here, and I went out and developed some pictures. They're actually having great deals right now, Walgreens, for Mother's Day, 50% off all photos. And I went out and got 8 by 10s, and I got them. I usually do black and white, but this time I went and did like this beautiful brown, and I'm going to show you guys how they are going to look. I cannot believe how gorgeous this project is going to be with very, very little money. And I'll show you guys how the end product looks. It is amazing how it looks. It looks more expensive than it was. So I'll show you guys the end product. So these are the frames that you can find at Dollar Tree. And I actually had to go to 2 Dollar Trees because I was only able to find like 10 of them. And I got myself 12, and they're only $1, super inexpensive, and they're actually like a pretty nice quality. They're very light. And I also got 2 black ones for my son's room. But look how gorgeous, and I'll show you guys with $10, $11 what you can do. And the whole thing, I'll when I'm done with the project, I'll show you guys how much it cost. I wanted to show you guys, this is my room. It's supposed to be like a beauty room, work room, my little office. And this is what I gave myself for Mother's Day, something that I wanted super special. Pictures of my family, my dad and my mom, and all these frames are from Dollar Tree. Like, they look really, really nice. They're from Dollar Tree. And the pictures, I developed them at Walgreens. They always have really good deals, like for special events. So for Mother's Day, they're having 50% off all pictures, all sizes. And I got the 8 by 10s. And these pictures I've taken myself of my son. And I decided not to get them black and white. And look how gorgeous. And these are so special to me. That's my mom and my dad. As I filmed this, my dad passed away 5 weeks ago today. So I wanted to do something special. And this is one of my favorite ones. My dad, me, and my twin sister. And look how beautiful they turned out. You don't have to spend too much money. And this is something I wanted, something that's inexpensive but looks very, very pretty. It gives a room a luxe feel, even though it's not expensive, but it definitely looks like it is. And remember, you can find really good frames at Dollar Tree. They were only $1. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.